Okay, so you see how I put them in groups?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you remember what these stand for. Like these are how many?
I think 2.
Mm-hmm. So then this would
3,
be
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
okay, good.
And then
So
the little ones are 1.
yeah.
Of course.
So how many groups of each do I have?
You
Let's flip them over.
should tell you like individually.
Actually, there's one group of each, but how many is in each group?
3.
Okay, good. So is that multiplying or dividing or adding or subtracting?
Oh, wait.
Well, it's kind of multiplying, isn't it? Like there's 3 of the same in each one. So multiply means you have the same of each thing,
yeah.
right? Yeah, I know. How they're laid out was kind of like a uncertain what I was
Each
meaning.
set, is that multiplying or dividing?
Yeah.
Wait.
Well, that's what you have to figure out. Like what is multiplication represented by? You know, what is it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So also we have a pattern of increasing. We have 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s,
3 6, 3 7, 3 8, 3 9, and 3 10.
Yeah, and that actually is over here, isn't it? 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s, 3 6,
Yeah.
7, 3 8, 3 9, 3 10,
3 11.
and then 11 and 12. Okay, very
Still
good.
have 11 and 12 here.
Right, and we also have 1. So this is just like how the chart is, right?
Yeah.
So we start 3,
3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 6 of 3.
mm-hmm. You can look.
Oh, 18.
Okay,
21. Not to like.
look. The difference between this set and this set is how many?
3.
Prove it.
Oh. See? The difference is 3. 3 ones.
Yeah. So that's what.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 7, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Yep, and we know because these are 10s. 3 10s are
3.
30. Yay. Okay. So 3 times 10 plus 3 times 2 is how much?
Like 30 plus 6?
Yep.
36.
Excellent. 3 times 10 plus 3 times 4. I'm sorry. I
12?
said that wrong. Yeah. It's supposed to be 3 times 10. Yeah, I was right. Plus 3 times 4 is how much?
That's 30.
Mm-hmm.
That's 12.
Mm-hmm.
42.
Excellent. 3 times 10.
Should keep the 10
I
out.
know. Plus 3 times 5.
45.
Excellent.
Just leave
I
that.
think I'll leave it out. 3 times 10 plus 3 times 1. Can you move it the right one out? Yes. What is 3 times 10 plus 3 times 1?
33.
Excellent. 3 times 10 plus 3 times 7.
57. Because that's 30.
What's 3 times 7?
3 times 7 is 21.
Oh.
Oh. So 51.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds better.
I don't know why I was thinking 7. Because. Oh.
Maybe
Isn't that-
just because it said 7. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, what's 3 times 10 plus 3 times 9?
That one. 27.
Yeah.
Oh, that, yeah, 27. Now 57. yeah.
Okay, good. And 3 times 10 plus 3 times 8 is?
Oh, 8 times 3. That's 24.
Okay.
So then 54.
Okay, good. Okay, now we do a different way. Gonna do 30 plus 3 is?
33.
30 plus 6 is?
36.
30 plus 12 is? I'm sorry, now I have to do it again. You do this time you do it.
Okay.
30 plus 3 is?
36. I mean, 33.
30, okay, restart. 30 plus 3 is?
33.
Okay.
30 plus 6 is 36.
Okay.
30 plus 3 is
3 times 3. How much is that?
9.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 9.
So 30 plus 9 is?
39.
Okay. 30 plus
12
is?
is 42.
Good.
30 plus 15 is 45.
Excellent.
30 plus 18 is 48.
Good. 30 plus 21.
21 is 51.
Good.
And then 30 plus 25.
Would be 24.
24 is 54.
Good.
And then 30 plus 27 is 57.
Good. And 30 plus
30
is?
60.
Good. All right.